Well, guys, here we are, and guess what? We failed. Yo, what's happening, everybody? How you doing this morning? Right now, the War Wagon and I are headed to that damn emissions. We already ran it through once and we didn't pass, but we were close. So what we did was we took it back to the ranch. We ran the fuel down really low. We went and we got some non-ethanol 89 octane is the best I could find, and hopefully we'll pass this time. It failed on the idle just by a little bit, so I'm hoping that this will put it where it needs to be. It did fine on the running it, so fingers crossed. And I got Greg behind me. Yesterday he bought a car, so he's gonna run that through. And in the event that this doesn't pass, which I'm really hoping it does, I'm going to drop it off at a shop and he's going to give me a ride home. So hopefully we pass. I can tell you that difference it already feels like when it's running with this fuel in it is, I mean, it started up and idled. It doesn't have a flat spot when you pull out, and I mean, it's still cold. So fingers crossed. Thanks, everybody. I'm Brian. This is Vintage Van Life. If you're into old stuff, maybe you want to subscribe. See you at the DMV. Well, guys, here we are, and guess what? We failed. So now we're seeing what we can get done. Hopefully we can get it through. Sorry I didn't film it while we were there, but we passed, dude. Woo! That only cost me $72.50, $74, 75 bucks. But we're good. Woo! That's always one of the most stressful things with this van every year, is getting it through emissions. It's just stupid. It's a dumb law. If I lived in Marana. So Greg, on the other hand, the car he got didn't pass, but it's only because we put a new battery in it and we didn't put enough miles on it to reset the computer. So I think we're going to be fine with his car. But I tell you what, I can't wait to I got to get the dog box put on the right way again. Oh, that's so stressful. That is such a stressful thing to do every year because it can be really expensive. So I'm really glad it wasn't. 75 bucks I can take care of. Last year it cost me $800.
You want to run that thing? I got 60 kits for you.
Boy, I got 15 kits. I reach up and grab that 12th kit. It's all over for you. I really don't know what this is. I got a bunch of stuff coming, so... But maybe it's a surprise that I don't remember from the vendor. Oh, I know what this is. Now we know. I forgot. One case, a tool case. Biggity bang, guys. MREs. We got more MREs. So I got my investigation on the roof done, and I think I figured out what's going on with my solar. So it's just a waiting game until we go get some big panels for it and hook them up and see how that works. But I decided, hey, let's go wash the War Wagon because it's filthy. I don't think I've washed the War Wagon since about, I don't even know, April. So yeah, it's way overdue. And then I got some dirt on her down in Empire Ranch. So if we're gonna be heading out in a few days, might as well make the War Wagon clean. So let's go watch it. Dang, that's good coffee. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this talking video. This is really a video that nothing really got accomplished other than getting the van through emissions. But there was a lot of talking in this one, so I appreciate you if you're still here. But that is going to do it for this one. We will see you on the next one. Keep on vanning. Desert Dreams Psychedelic Chill Out Mix. Found this on YouTube.